Toolcraft Inc. offers a multi-axis CNC machining and assembly services to the aerospace, medical, technology, and defense industries. Our 12,000 square foot facility consists of cutting-edge CNC machines, including turning, Swiss turn, 5-axis milling, and horizontal vertical machining centers. Using our horizontal and vertical machining centers, we can manufacture precise, consistent, and burr-free parts for parts small in size, often with complex features and tight tolerance requirements. With our CNC Swiss turning machines, we can manufacture precise, consistent, and burr-free parts that are small in size, often with complex features and tight tolerance requirements. Other capabilities include laser engraving, mechanical assembly, media blasting, tumbling, and ultrasonic cleaning. Our quality department is equipped with CMMs, vision systems, and a full library of hand tools to support first article and production inspection requirements. We work with engineering teams to design for manufacturing, using CAD/CAM technology supporting from conception to completion. We utilize automated tooling equipment, lean manufacturing techniques, and 5S planning. Our facility is ITAR registered and holds certification in AS 9100D and ISO 9001:2015. If you require precise parts from a reliable team, contact us today.